Hey everyone, this is Micro Mondays episode 2. We're going to take a look at Hologram's Chroma Console right behind me. Let's do it. At its core, Chroma is built around advanced modulation. It gives you 4 independent modulation engines, each capable of generating complex LFOs, envelopes and rhythmic patterns. You're not limited to simple sine waves. You can draw your own shapes, sync them to tempo and create evolving organic motion that feels alive. Each section has its own dedicated controls, allowing you to shape rate, depth, waveform and phase independently. The amount controls allow you to dial in how much the chosen effect is applied. Each of the top controls are different for each section. So first up, the character section is all about distortion types, and at the top the control is called tilt for distortion craziness. The movement section is about modulation and includes phasing, tremolo, pitch options. The top control is all about the rate or speed of modulation. The diffusion section is all about reverb and delay types, with the top control used as a time control for each of the 5 options. Finally, the texture section includes a filter, compressor, some signal manipulation options, cassette tape emulation, broken and interference options for messing up the sound totally. It's madness what you can do. There are secondary controls for each of the sections. These can be selected via the foot switch combos. You can even change effect chain order here too. Thanks to the color-coded visual interface, you can clearly see which modulation source is controlling which parameter, making complex routing intuitive rather than overwhelming. On the rear of the console we have all the common IOs, power and MIDI hookup via 5-DIN pin or USB to clock the effects to an external source. So here I've designed a patch on my Moog grandmother and I'm running it through Chroma. First up, distortion design. Now let's apply some modulation for movement and a little distortion back in as well. What I love about Chroma is that you can choose classic LFO shapes or draw your own custom curves, then dial in the speed, from slow, evolving movements to tight, tempo-synced rhythms. The depth control determines how dramatically the modulation affects your target, while additional shape and smoothing parameters let you create everything from sharp, rhythmic pulses to fluid organic motion. Now for some diffusion, which can add a lot of space to your source audio. I'll add a filter now too. The white mix control at the top is for the amount of Chroma's effects choices get applied to your sounds. These diffusion types are crazy. The combinations of possibilities here are endless. I'm now running my Juno through the pedal, and a pad can be designed further via Chroma. So that's it. In short, the hologram Chroma Console combines deep modulation control with hands-on performance features. It's not just about adding movement, it's about designing, controlling and performing that movement in real time. Just amazing for sound design and composition help. See you next week.